In a vision, a goal, a plan, a framework for inclusive and effective teaching, you will use an activity to define and prioritize your teaching vision. As you sort the cards, you'll begin to see a representation of your values and a vision for teaching in your classroom. Later, you'll compare your vision with the teaching effectiveness framework to align your vision with specific domains, and then assign an action plan to integrate related practices into your teaching. This activity is just one of the ways this virtual workshop provides you the necessary time and guidance you need to determine what student success looks like for your students and what exact steps to take to make your vision a reality, all determined by a proven method of 7 effective teaching methods. To learn more about this virtual workshop or to register, visit our website at www.magnapubs.com. Immerse yourself in learning and benefit from live collaboration with the expert presenters and your peers.